What's up, guys? So we're starting our book reviews up again. We're only gonna do a chapter tonight, and I think we're gonna do it for the rest of the book because all these chapters are so long. I don't know why they're so long, but yeah, we're gonna start doing half a chapter for this book. But when we get into other books, we'll start doing like more and more chapters, like full chapters. All right, I'm gonna see how many. This is 14 pages, I think. Well, let's count. There's one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 pages. So we'll only read 8 pages tonight, alright? Chapter 5 is Turning on the Light. It was the summer of 1878. Tom had been working hard for a long time. He was thinking about taking a vacation. Then a friend invited him to join a group of scientists. They were traveling by train to Wyoming to see an eclipse of the sun. Tom decided eclipse of the sun. Tom decided to go. He'd been working on a machine he called a tasimeter for measuring temperature. He saw the trip as a chance to try it out. Tom enjoyed talking to other scientists. After the eclipse, that's what I said. He and his friend traveled on together by train. It is said that Tom persuaded the train engineer to let him ride on the crowcatcher, the metal grate on front of the train. This way Tom had the best view of the spectacular scenery until the train came to a tunnel and he had got back inside the car. At this point of his life, Tom wasn't sure what he would work on next. On this trip out west, he stood and looked at the Platte River rushing by. He wondered out loud to his friend why the power of the river's flow couldn't be used to provide electricity to miners nearby. They were drilling for ore by hand, and it was obviously slow, hard work. Tom's friend told him about a man he knew in Connecticut who had found an interesting way to use power of electricity. He could send enough electricity to light up not just one arc light, but 8. An arc light makes light when electric current jumps across the space between 2 carbon rods. The problem is that the light is harsh and bright. Arc lights threw off sparks and could start a fire indoors. They were better suited for using outdoors. Up to now, indoor lighting called from candles, oil lamps, or gas lamps. None of them gave off enough light to do much after dark. Gaslight had been around since the early 1800s, but it was expensive. Gas lamps made walls black and dirty. Sometimes it smelled, caused headaches. Gas could be dangerous too. Leaked or exploded. Fires might start. Still, gaslight was popular because it was the best light available. Gaslight. In 1816, coal gas lamps lit up a street in Baltimore, Maryland. It was the first American street to have gas lights. Later, lamps were used indoors. Natural gas comes right out of the ground, and well 37 feet deep, was drilled in Fredonia, New York. In 1820, General Lafayette, a hero of the American Revolution, visited and was served a dinner cooked on a gas door in a room lit by gaslight. It was marveled in its day. Marveled. It could be found in homes, offices, factories, and outdoor larger towns and cities around the country. Tom was eager to see how the man in Connecticut was using electricity to light up his 8 arc lights. He was surprised and interested to find out that the man was not using batteries, but a small generator made of magnetic coils of wire. Tom was very impressed with the 8 arc lights. He went home knowing that if he was to succeed with electric lights, he had to develop a simple light bulb, which gives him off a bright soft glow for heated filament or material inside the bulb. This was known incandescent lightning. Tom was all fired up to work on his electric light. He knew that other people around the world were working on this too. He wanted to be the first to succeed, but he knew that inventing a working light bulb wasn't enough. He had to invent one. Arc lights. Lighters proceed when an arc of electricity jumps between 2 charged conductors. It was too bright, smelly, and expensive for leaves in homes and offices. Count how many pages there are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pages, but we'll stop reading for today, alright? So, this is Owen signing off.